structure y'iyi projet igizwe fondation ni reinforced concrete, igisenge kikaba steel, tukaba twarahisemo materiel kugira ngo itworohere kubona forme y'inzu twashakaga, kandi ikaba ari na materiel iri light itaremereye. Kureba iyi nzu uko irangiye yubatse, navuga ko ari projet iri successful kuko ibintu byose twifuzaga nkuko design yari imeze twabashije kubigeraho.
It was very challenging project whereby we had to work days and nights just to accomplish this beautiful project. We only accomplished it for 4 months. Actually, the secret to success was just creating a strong bond among the team members, whereby everyone had to understand the mission and his or her own responsibilities.
Specifically on the academy section, which was designed for the education purpose, for the comfort of the runners. That's why we provided wide doors and windows and elevated roof. We appreciate the design for the curves and the beauty of the building.
As a visualizer, I was dealing with material finish, most of all, and connecting the design team ideas to reality through visuals that are presentable to the client. And for landscape, was choosing the flowers and plants that are best fit for the environment.
To me, Muhanga Zipline project is a very nice project and amazing one, just because it's a unique. From that uniqueness, you can see that there is a very big difference from this project and the other project that we used to design. So here we were just trying to deal with the curves. Over the years, you have started to learn how we can deal with curved breeding or other type of breedings. So concrete and curved steel structure has been just chosen, just fast forward in order to have to give us a shape, and also to provide a very big span, and also to provide a very spacious working space inside of the building.
Twishimiye kuba turangije neza iyi projet ya Zipline Muhanga Nest. Iyi project yari ishimishije kandi yari interesting ko twayikoze design and build, guturuka mu nyigo yayo kugeza turangije kuyubaka mu gihe gitoya kingana n'ibyumweru 16 gusa. Ndashimira cyane project manager wa Zipline Patricia ko twakoranye neza muri icyo gihe cyose kugira ngo project igende neza. Nka FDG Africa kugira uruhare mu bikorwa bya healthcare facilities mu Rwanda kandi bijyanye n'icyerekezo igihugu cyerekezamo, ni umunezero mwinshi kuri twebwe. Turashimira abakipe yose yabanye natwe muri iyi projet, abitanze tugakora amanywa n'ijoro kugira ngo tugire kuri iki gikorwa cy'indashyikirwa. Kandi dukomeje gutera intambwe mu kuzana udushya muri healthcare facilities, nk'uko nguko twabikoze hano muri iyi projet itari imenyerewe mu Rwanda.
Mainly the design was inspired by the existing structure that we found on the site. That was the launching area. So the launching area was in a form of a curve. So we wanted to create another curve that can complement that existing curve that we found there. So we created another big curve that will come and complement that small curve that was there. And we managed to create a harmonious composition using that big curve.
Zipline is a company, it's a logistics company that designs, manufactures and operates drones as a delivery system for last mile delivery. Right now we're standing at Zipline Muhanga, as you see. We've been working with FDG to come up with an expansion to a distribution center. And right now, so to say, its project is coming to a completion. And my thoughts would be, I have worked with a hardworking team from the FDG design and FDG Africa, right? Yeah, sorry, FDG Africa, and it has been a beautiful journey. They have shown exceptional work in terms of their design, in terms of their delivery. We have worked hand in hand, and we've been able to mitigate issues. They did work in a rainy season, and I was happy in how they executed the work. Thank you.